So the question is, what is the meaning of a uniform width bar graph or a uniform bar graph? So let's just take some rough and ready figures where you're showing the top 3 countries with the most amount of coronavirus infected people over whatever the past 6 months, 8 months or so. So if you take the population in the millions of people who got affected, US, India, and Brazil. So US apparently at the time in which we made this video, we are making this video at least, is approximately 7 million. Now in the y-axis, we call this as the y-axis in the
And the
graphing,
x-axis?
and this is the x-axis. X-axis actually doesn't matter in this case, okay? Only that it makes a uniform platform so that we can draw the bars above it. But the y-axis is important. It's taking the population in millions, so that means 1 means 1 million, 2 means 2 million, and so on up to 7 I have put over here because that is relevant for us. Now I show the US number of people who have been infected historically with COVID. So this is COVID cases, caseload, that is. So 7 million, India is approximately 5 million, and Brazil is approximately 4 million. So just to clarify, the meaning of uniform width bar graph or uniform bar graph is, you see the width over here of the bar graph. Okay, so I'm just going to expand the width over there of this bar. Okay, this width actually does not mean anything. Normally in graphs it is not so. The width of that bar in the x-axis would usually mean something. Okay, there will be some meaning behind it.
So then to I always make uniform with bar graph.
Exactly. So because otherwise you can also pack some information into the x-axis also. But in this case, for a bar graph, the x-axis does not carry any information. So that is what they mean by uniform width. This width will be the same for India, US, and Brazil, and it is meaningless. There is no meaning for it. So I'll just write it over there. No meaning. And therefore it is uniform. Okay. So that is why they talk about uniform bar graph with no width. So let us see this. The question that you want clarification is question 7, right?
I just wanted to know what is a uniform with bar graph.
Correct. So, but just to answer your question, I might as well do that. The question says in a bar graph, bars of uniform
True,
width are
so
drawn
it's false.
vertically only. So you are saying that is false. Why is it false?
It can also be drawn horizontally.
Horizontal.
Exactly. So this graph itself, you can also draw it like this. So you can keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 to 7 million. So this is population or case load. Let me put it as cases. And here you can put US, and let us mess it up a little bit, Brazil, and then India. It doesn't matter either way. US's load will.
So we also do like this commonly.
Yeah, exactly. That is what they mean. So US का 7 होगा, Brazil का 1, 2, 3, 4. So approximately till that much. And India का अगर ये 4 है तो ये 5 है. So basically bar graphs are used for comparison purposes. Okay, so therefore if you, as long as you can show the data in some way that you can compare it, in fact I would say for this particular piece of information this is easier to compare, right? Because if I change the order over here, if I put Brazil in between and India on the other side, here the differences are many. But what if there is some country in between 4 and 5? Then it won't be easy to make out. But if you put it like this, it's even more easy to make out, which is the highest, which is the lowest, and which is in the middle. So that is why bar graphs can be shown both horizontally and vertically.